What's the number one way to increase your income? It's to develop high income earning skills. What is up, YouTube? It's Luke W coming back at you guys with an awesome, amazing, motivational video for you guys today. You read the title right. I got offered a position for a $1.1 million independent contract spaced over 3 years to help big businesses get their products optimized and listed on Amazon.com. Now, I'm going to touch on this and how the meeting went with the offer and everything in just a little bit, but I started this video out talking about what a high income earning skill is capable of doing for you guys. Now, I'm here at the skate park. If you may not have already noticed, I got my board down here and everything, and this is a sport and hobby that I've basically been doing for most of my life, since I was pretty much 11 years old. So how much has this skateboard actually made me, guys? I can tell you right now, over about 15 years, it's probably made me about $500. That's pretty minimal considering how many years I've actually been doing it. But like I said, guys, this is kind of one of my hobbies, my pastime, stuff like that. Compare that 15 years of hard work, trial and error on my skateboard to what I've now done in just 2 years on Amazon. And if you guys are subscribed to my channel and you've probably seen my videos, recently I posted $18,000 a month in profit, okay? $30,000 in revenue every month compiling on Amazon with literally just 2 products. Now, these are what I'm talking about when we're talking high income skills, guys. So I actually want to share a cool anecdotal story about one of my students, Blake Bales. If you're watching this, shout out, man, because he took my Amazon course to the whole next level. What he did is utilize and leverage the power that in China, things cost a lot less than they do here in the United States. So he found a company that needed a product and they were ordering it by the tens of thousands every single month. And he found a supplier on Alibaba.com that could get him this product for 25 cents cheaper than this original company was paying for that product for. So my friend is now doing $4,000 a week just by calling and ordering product and having that get shipped out to this company that needs that product. So this is called a high income earning skill, guys. When you know how to negotiate with suppliers, when you know how to list things on Amazon and start making sales, you're gonna start making big money. And really, it's not even that much work once you get the momentum built up and you learn how to do everything that you need to start making that money. So let's hop into talking about how this deal just went with this big company. So as a matter of fact, I've been working on selling products just to customers through Amazon, right? That's pretty much what I do, selling on Amazon. Now, I've posted some of my videos on LinkedIn, which is more of a business to business transaction space. And big businesses have actually been scouting people out, and someone like me who's an expert with Amazon that can actually get products listed on Amazon, optimize advertising campaigns, build up amazing listings that are going to convert. So what this company did was reach out to me through LinkedIn and then say, hey, we're already working with big names. They're already doing $2 million plus a month on Amazon. And what we need to do is scale it up to $10 and $15 million a month. And what we need to do is just basically have an expert come in and show us how we can optimize our PPC campaigns. And I've had so much experience doing this on my own products. I've already yielded huge results, and I've shared these things on LinkedIn enough for me to build up enough authority and credibility about myself as an Amazon FBA coach and expert. Think about it. If I'm able to help these companies spend their money to help their numbers grow, that's only going to grow my credibility and my skills at Amazon as a whole. So for those of you guys watching this thinking, hey, is Luke just going to leave us in the dust and go off and do some $1 million contract deals? The answer to that is just flat out no. I want to be taking my camera along with me the whole entire time. When I'm behind the scenes, I'm actually going to need to document this stuff so then I can later show these other big companies, hey, this is what I've done for these companies, and use it as a testimony to show I know what I'm doing and I can help you guys grow as well. So I want to use that information that I'm going to learn helping these big companies to actually make better courses for you guys, better content and better videos to actually help you guys with your own Amazon FBA businesses as a whole. So it's going to be a win-win-win. I'm helping these big companies list their products on Amazon. I'm helping my knowledge learning, and that's going to come back to help you guys in the long run too. So I just wanted to bring you guys this video and let you know big income earning skills are out there, and they're not that hard to learn when you utilize the power of YouTube. If you guys know my backstory, I broke my leg right here, as a matter of fact, right in this bowl, right down there. I broke my leg and was out of my server job for 2 months. That's all it took me. I took an Amazon course, laid in my bed, and learned how to sell on Amazon. Granted, it took me a couple of products before I really got things up and running, but after that happened, I was like, hey, I'm selling big ticket items. I'm gonna start doing $50 profit per unit, and it got me to the point where I was selling 15 to 20 units of those a day, and that was correlating to $800 to $1,000 in profit every single day on Amazon. And now I literally have a new product coming in that's gonna do $100 profit per sale. And the numbers on Jungle Scout, which is the tool I use to see how many sales per month certain products are making. So I'm not going into this as a big guessing game, but I can see that the product is making about 200 sales a month, guys. So that could be $20,000 in extra income in my pocket. So what I discussed at the meeting with this big company was, hey, look, I'm doing this right now. I'm doing my own thing. I'm loving the fact that I can, make videos for people, build courses, and just kind of document my Amazon FBA journey. And they're like, hey, we don't want to take away from that, but we want to have your skills in our company right now. And I was like, okay, well, that sounds good. Let's work something out. So they said they will give me 3 to 4 times my annual income. And that was based off of $15,000 to $20,000 a month income. So they're basically expecting to pay me, upwards of $980,000. I said, hey, does 1.1 million sound good? And they said yes. So I'm going to keep you guys posted on this journey. That's going to be very huge. They said they'd pay me a big lump sum right up front and maybe like $250,000 and then space the rest out on a monthly payout basis. I'd be able to stay right here in Seattle, Washington, and I wouldn't have to go out to their company, which is based in Arkansas. They actually came here for an Amazon event, and I went into this cool Amazon warehouse place, and they had this big table set up and everything. I got to meet with them afterwards, but they were really serious about this, and they work with already the huge companies that want to get their products selling on Amazon. So they're almost as a middleman agency type thing that's there to help those big companies get their products listed and perfected on Amazon. They know all the lingo as well to talk with these guys. They're shipping in containers full of product every single month, guys. So this is absolutely insane. If I can start showing you numbers that I'm doing for these big businesses, that's only just gonna make me more and more hyped. I just wanna keep refreshing my phone screen and seeing those sales come in. And that's the addiction where I'm at right now, guys. So I hope you did like this video. I'm gonna drop in and say goodbye to you guys. But I hope you do. Again, drop that thumbs up on this video. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for more. Hey, thank you guys so much again for watching that video. I wanted to bring you a quick little end note for you guys actually looking to start making high income. And the first thing you got to do, like I said, is get the high income earning skills. So if you look at the first link below in the video description, you guys are going to see my Amazon Seller Pro course. Go ahead and take a look at it. It is $500. I may be throwing up a discount on it really soon, which I will announce in my Facebook group, which you guys should probably come join. It's linked down in the description as well. I'll let you guys know when I'm running a discount, and you guys just hop right on into it, guys. There's no reason you guys don't need to do this. And with all the things that are happening in this day and age with people wanting to buy products online, you guys are only going to get left behind if you do not move on this ASAP. So go check out the course, enroll in it, pay that money so you feel obligated to go make it back. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.